Class 5th Standard, Subject General Knowledge. Task number 35 to 39. Task number 35. Indian Railways. First one, the train that travels the longest route in India. Yes, the answer is Vivek Express. The train that travels the longest route in India. The answer is Vivek Express. Second one, the fastest train in India. Yes, the answer is Shatabdi Express. The fastest train in India. The answer is Shatabdi Express. Next, third one, the busiest railway station in India. The answer is Howrah Junction. The busiest railway station in India. The answer is Howrah Junction. Next, fourth one of the longest railway stations in India. Yes, the answer is Gorakhpur Railway Station. One of the longest railway station in India. Answer is Gorakhpur Railway Station. Next, fifth one, the father of the Indian Railways. Answer is Lord Dalhousie. Fifth one, the father of the Indian Railways. Answer is Lord Dalhousie. Task number 36. Indian Industries. First question is, Dash was the first manufacturing industry to be set up in India. Dash was the first manufacturing industry to be set up in India. Answer is cotton textile. Second one, Sir Jamsetji Tata started the first Dash plant in Jamshedpur, India. Repeat it. Sir Jamsetji Tata started the first Dash plant in Jamshedpur, India. Answer is steel plant. Third one, the state of Dash is the largest producer of raw silk in India. Yes, the answer is Karnataka. Next, fourth one, Dash city is the electronic capital of India. The answer is Bangalore. Next, fifth one, the state of Dash accounts for over 50% of the jute production in India. Yes, the answer is West Bengal. Next, last one, the state of Dash produces the largest amount of sugarcane. Yes, the answer is Uttar Pradesh. Next, task number 37, Indian Nobel Laureates. First one, he was the first Indian citizen to be awarded the Nobel Prize. Yes, the answer is Rabindranath Tagore. Second one, he was awarded the Nobel Prize for his work on the scattering of light. Answer is C.V. Raman. Sir C.V. Raman. Next, third one, she worked very hard to alleviate human suffering. Yes, the answer is Mother Teresa. Next, fourth one, he won the Nobel Prize for his contribution to the field of economics. Answer is Amartya Sen. Next, fifth one, he shared the Nobel Prize in physiology or medicine for the interpretation of the genetic code. Yes, the answer is Har Gobind Khorana. Next, last one, he was a master of modern English. Modern English prose. The answer is Nelson Mandela. Last one, he was a master of modern English prose. Answer is Nelson Mandela. Next, task number 38, social reformers. First question, Dash was born into slavery. She played an important role in leading other slaves to freedom during the American Civil War. Yes, the answer is Harriet Tubman. Second one, Dash focused on the concerns of mothers like schooling, sanitation, and peace. She was the founder of the American Civil Liberties Union or the ACLU. Yes, the answer is Jane Addams. Next, Dash played an important role in the struggle to stop slave trade in the British Empire. Yes, the answer is William Wilberforce. Fourth one, Dash is best known for his efforts to improve the working conditions of the workers in his textile factory. The answer is Robert Owen. Next, fifth one, Dash came to Kolkata from Albania as a nun. She cared for orphans and sick people. The answer is Mother Teresa. Next, sixth one, Dash was a South American political leader who fought against racial segregation and served as the first president of a free South Africa. Yes, the answer is Nelson Mandela. Last task number is 39. Know your doctors. First one, they are experts in the treatment of diseases that affect the heart and blood vessels. Yes, the answer is cardiologist. Second one, they treat diseases of the skin and hair. Yes, the answer is dermatologist. Next, third one, they are experts on hormones and metabolism and treat diabetes, thyroid problems, and etc. Yes, the answer is endocrinologist. Fourth one, they specialize in treating diseases of the blood, spleen, lymph glands, and etc. Yes, the answer is hematologist. Next, fifth one, they treat diseases of the kidney as well as high blood pressure. The answer is nephrologist. Next, sixth one, they specialize in the treatment of problems affecting the nervous system, including the brain, spinal cord, and etc. Yes, the answer is neurologist. Last one, seventh one, these doctors work with people with mental and emotional health issues and disorders. Yes, the answer is psychiatrist. Thank you.